Hi guys, today I'm playing MMO with my friend Cindy. Say hi. I said hi. Say hi in the chat. Bro. Anyway, we're gonna see who's the murderer. She has some squishies. She said hi. So we're gonna see if the murderer, oh that's the murderer. We both died. Oh, there's the sheriff. Just do it already. Just go. I'm gonna shoot the first person I see. If I'm a sheriff. Or if I'm a murderer. The murder has you. Oh, so that's the sheriff. Yeah. Bukas na dia, sige setan o sa kuwan. Kung magsuwan ko ba, sige mag-listen. Shoot the first person I see. Magpapatay ko niya, tanaw ko. Kana ay, kana lalaki. Ano yung pakitang ko ay? God. I think it's him. Nah, tell me. Wait, did you die? Yeah. Why? You respond, didn't you? Tell me who's the. Bo. Kia, follow me. Where? I'm jumping. Coming. Wait, let's have a picture. Picture ta. Here. Come here. Picture ta. Okay. Thank you. And you are shark. First, I'm innocent. I'm Shadow. Oh, I think he's the murderer. I think the blue is. What's that sound? This guy is the murderer. Oh, oh. I'm gonna put some sound. I'm gonna hide in the door. Are you sure? Okay. I stopped him. Stops. What's that noise? Oh, this boy. Recipe my granny, she can hit back the No, where are you? No. Bata! Namatay. Ikaw ang gun, boy. Ikaw ang gun. Where? Naog. Napaman. Hello, saan ka na siya? Naog. Oh, wait, saan? Doon na siya. Ano ka murderer? Mga babae? Kanang lalaki. Yeah. Teamers. Hello. Tay, ikaw ka sindi. Oh, wait. Hello. Oh, bro. Yung reports. Yeah, ate kay. Where? So the reset and watch the murder. Okay. But I'm gonna hide. Where am I gonna hide? Oh, yeah, it's him. Yeah, I know it's him. The girl. Oh no. Wait. Yeah. Let's play another game. No, let's play Animal Story. Bawa na ka? Yeah. Ingon ako kung nakakuha ko siya na fainted because ako nalabay sa basura. Every day, I imagine future where I can be with you. In my hand, the pen gonna write the poem. Look, you're offline. Oh, I thought you're nurse ko. Wait for me. Ikaw kay intern. Why? Yeah, why? Oh, it's so sad. We're playing Bendy. Hot dog, just let's join people. Hurry up. No, let's just play. Let's play with Rose. Okay, let's go here. Join na mo. Ay. Yeah, bro, where's Kaboom, lala kaboom. My granny, she got hit by a bazooka. Oh, great, we have an intern. Jump.